Minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle that transforms spaces into functional, beautiful havens. If you're dealing with a compact kitchen, today's video will show you how to achieve a sleek, efficient, and minimalist design tailored for small spaces. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and comment your thoughts below. Small kitchens thrive on simplicity. A minimalist design eliminates clutter, maximizes utility, and creates a sense of openness, even in tight spaces. Let's explore how this approach works wonders for smaller layouts. Start by choosing a light, neutral color palette. Think whites, beiges, and soft grays. These colors reflect light and make your kitchen feel larger and airier. Opt for flat panel or handleless cabinets to maintain clean lines. This small detail can make your kitchen look seamless and ultra-modern. Replace upper cabinets with open shelving to create an open and airy vibe. Display your essentials or minimal decor for a functional yet stylish look. Invest in compact, multifunctional appliances. A microwave oven combo or an integrated dishwasher can save precious space while serving dual purposes. Keep countertops clean and free from unnecessary items. Store appliances you don't use daily to maintain an uncluttered look. Use your wall space to the fullest. Install hooks, magnetic knife strips, or pegboards for storing utensils, cutting boards, and small items. Good lighting is crucial for small spaces. Use under cabinet lights or pendant lighting to brighten your kitchen without overwhelming. Choose simple, sleek countertops in materials like quartz or laminate. Avoid overly busy patterns, which can make the space feel cramped. If you need a dining area, consider a foldable or extendable table. This provides flexibility without permanently taking up space. Use dividers and organizers inside your drawers. This keeps your kitchen tools easily accessible while maintaining a minimalist look. Incorporate lazy Susans or pull-out shelves in corner cabinets to maximize these often wasted spaces. Use hidden storage like pull-out pantries or toe-kick drawers to stash items without sacrificing valuable real estate. Choose a simple yet elegant backsplash that adds personality without overwhelming the minimalist theme. Subway tiles or solid panels work beautifully. Mirrored or glossy finishes on cabinets and backsplashes can reflect light, making your kitchen appear larger. If space allows, create a cozy seating nook with built-in benches or stools that tuck under a counter. Use uniform storage containers for your pantry items. Clear jars or minimalist bins keep things organized and visually pleasing. Stick to a few simple decorative items, perhaps a small plant, a piece of artwork, or a bowl of fruit, to maintain the clean aesthetic. Consider single basin sinks or those with built-in accessories like cutting boards or drain racks for maximum utility. Add a small, neutral rug to bring warmth and texture without dominating the space. Refrain from hanging too many items from the ceiling, as this can make the space feel crowded. Stick to a few pendant lights or nothing at all. Introduce a touch of greenery, like a small herb garden on the windowsill, to add life and freshness to your kitchen. Choose sleek, low-maintenance flooring materials like vinyl or tiles to keep the space cohesive and easy to clean. Stick to one finish for your cabinet hardware, faucets, and light fixtures. Whether it's matte black or brushed nickel, consistency enhances the minimalist vibe. Introduce color sparingly through small accents like kitchen towels or decorative bowls to avoid overwhelming the neutral base. Incorporate a pull-out trash and recycling bin to keep these essentials hidden, yet accessible. Consider efficient layouts like the galley or L shape, which work well for small kitchens. These layouts optimize space and functionality. Before finalizing your kitchen design, test it with a virtual planner or mock-up to ensure it's both functional and visually appealing. Thank you for joining us on this journey to create a sleek and efficient minimalist kitchen for small spaces. Remember to like this video, subscribe to Interior Blueprint, and comment on your favorite design tip. See you in the next video.